Hey everyone, how's it going? How are you feeling today? Let's dive back into the twisty, turny maze of our own minds. Today, we're stopping at a door that says, "Too many things at once." Let's open it up and see what's inside. Doing too many things at once. The juggling act that never stops. In a world that tells us we should multitask and do it all, it's easy to fall into the trap of juggling everything at once. You think you're being efficient, checking emails while making dinner, folding laundry while helping with homework, and taking calls while running errands. But in reality, you're spreading yourself so thin that nothing gets the attention it truly needs. Multitasking sounds great, right? The truth is, when you try to do too many things at once, you end up doing none of them well. You're constantly switching gears, never really finishing anything, and it leaves you feeling drained, frustrated, and like you're always one step behind. A story of multitasking gone wrong. Meet Lisa. She's a busy mom, a full-time manager, and always juggling a million things at once. One afternoon, she's making dinner, helping her son, Jake, with a school project, and trying to finish a work report, all at the same time. "Mom, I don't understand this part of the math problem," Jake says. "Hold on, honey. Let me just send this email," Lisa responds, tapping away at her laptop. Then the phone rings. It's her sister asking about their upcoming family event. Without thinking, Lisa picks up. Yeah, I'll call you back. I'm in the middle of something." By the time dinner's ready, Lisa realizes she hasn't even finished her report, missed a key detail in Jake's project, and totally forgot about planning the family event. To top it off, she's exhausted from the constant back and forth of trying to manage everything at once. Breaking free from the multitasking trap. If you're nodding along, you're definitely not alone. Multitasking might seem like a time saver, but it's actually an energy drainer. Here's how to break the cycle. Focus on one thing at a time. Give your full attention to whatever you're doing, whether it's helping your child with homework or finishing a work project. You'll get things done faster and enjoy them more. Set boundaries. Let your family know when you need time to focus and stick to those boundaries. It's okay to say, "I'll help in 30 minutes." Use a timer. Break your tasks into smaller chunks. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Focus on one task. Then take a short break. This keeps you on track and helps prevent burnout. Let go of perfection. You don't need to do everything at once or perfectly. Sometimes, the best thing you can do is focus on what's most important in the moment. When you stop juggling too many things at once, you actually get more done and feel better doing it. Quality over quantity, every time. So today, we tackled another reason that holds us back from moving forward and seeing the world with wide open eyes. Hopefully, we nailed it and hit the mark. Sending you all good vibes and see you next time. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones.